Hello. Hello everyone. I hope everyone will be fit and fine. Also I'm great. Today I will show you different types of vector art in Adobe Illustrator with blend tool. And first thing, I take a polygon, hold on Alt key, right click as option. Already I set up. I forgot again this one smooth 100 is only 10. Okay. Cancel. I need to increase the size. Hold on shift key. There you go. Looks like nice. Also, make another one. I need to decrease it. Yeah. Okay. Change the color. Make it this one. And put one. Okay. Drag all of them. Okay. Good object, blend, then option, already set up, specific step 400, also okay, okay. Again, object, blend, make, here we go. This one, realistic. Okay. If I want to move and increase the design, drag all of them, select pen tool, do some click, there you go. Okay. Also look. Look. I create a building vector art gentle. It's okay. I hope everyone like this one. If I want is moving going to effect like 3D go. I option choose a removal. Okay. There is option offset, preview, preview. Okay. Itself. There you go. Yeah. Looking great. I need that drag all of them. Decrease. Again. Click. Okay. Press 8. Okay. A. This one. Click. Look. Look, looking nice.